Investing in our employees is ultimately an investment in our students,
which is the top priority at SCCPSS.
We know that their development and growth is important. As educators, we often speak about lifelong learning, and this conference is just a testament to that aspect of our growth and development.
We have to be ready to support our teachers. So all of the district leadership, school leadership, that's what they're here doing.
It's the district's Excel Summer Leadership Conference, strengthening those values, skills, and camaraderie that make up the winning team.
I believe that the answer is always in the room. And if you bring outstanding leaders together and you provide the conditions in which they can have open dialogue, they can share problems of practice, the answers to our most pressing challenges will emerge.
Leaders always look at themselves as the head learner, and so we are always looking for opportunities to improve and to make sure that we have the most recent research on how to support our students.
When our employees know that we care about their professional growth, their development, their well-being, they are more apt to be productive and to demonstrate and pour that same energy, those same concepts into our students.
District leaders and principals collaborating in preparation for a new school year that begins August 4th. For SCCPSS, I'm Ken Slatz.